Good Monday morning. Thank you, Cross Timbers parents and students, for tuning into our first week of distance learning. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to this page so that all the content will be available to you. Each week, our fourth grade teachers will post 3 new videos. There will also be surprise videos posted by our wonderful specials team. On Monday, the plan is to review the lesson plans with you and the students. On Wednesday and Friday, we plan to do check-ins to see how your student is progressing through the articles and the activities that we have assigned for the week. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact your student's teacher. You can send them a text message, a message through the Remind app, or email. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Hopefully at this time you have received a copy of the lesson plans for this week. If you have not, please remember you can go onto the Cross Timbers website and there will be a copy available to you. This is what this week's lesson plans will look like. We have activities planned for every day of the week, with Friday being a day that students will turn in their work to their teachers so that we can give you feedback. If you download the lesson plans off of the school website, there is a hyperlink that you can go to and select. It'll take you to the article that we would like for the students to read that day. The Scholastic News website has some features that will help your student as they work through each of the lessons. Over on the side, you will notice there is a spot that says text to speech. Students are welcome to read the article to themselves. They're welcome to read it out loud, read with a friend. If they are struggling and they need help, they can click on the text-to-speech feature and that will read the article to them. There's also an option to do an on-level or a lower level, which will make it a little bit easier for those students that may be struggling to get through the article. At the bottom of each of the pages, you will find a section labeled Continue the Learning Journey. For week 1, we ask that students complete the first bullet for each of the articles that they read this week. That will be something that on Friday, the students will pick their favorite one and they will send a picture to their teacher via text messaging, Remind, or through the school email. As students are looking through the article, there is a feature up at the top that says Open Magazine View. If you will select the Open English View, it will take you to the online magazine presentation. This is what students are used to seeing in the classroom with their classroom teachers. Again, when they select on this option, they have the option of going up to the top and they can have the article read to them. They can also zoom in to make it bigger if they need. This has great words to know boxes and additional information for students should they be interested in that. They can also click on the links and it will take them to the videos that go along with the story for the week. So there's lots of fun activities and things that the students can do in this window. Different stories that they can read if they choose to maybe do a little bit more or find something that they're interested in. Okay, heading back over to our lesson plans. For math, we decided to keep it short and simple. Students really enjoyed playing Math Prodigy whenever we had the Chromebook, so we thought that would be the best way to deliver math review and instruction to the students. Again, you can follow the hyperlink that's provided for the students. They should be able to log in using their username and passwords. That should be located in the front of their agenda. If your student does not have their username and password, please get into contact with their teacher. Every teacher has those available and can get those to you quickly and easily. Okay, parents, last but not least, I wanted to show you one more thing that will be attached to this week's lesson plans. If you will scroll down to the second sheet of the lesson plans, we are asking that your student continue to read 20 minutes a day independently. I know that it is difficult to get AR books at this time. We have provided a list of websites that your student can go to. Those websites have books on there that students can read on their own. There's also an option such as like Story Online. They will read the books to your child. We have opened up the AR website, so students are now able to click on this hyperlink that will take them to the AR site. They can log in and take tests. That's a great way for them to continue working on their independent reading as well as their comprehension skills. Above, we have listed several different math websites. Splash Math is a great website for students to go to continue working on grade-specific skills that we have been practicing throughout the year. Extra Math and multiplication.com, those are two other great websites that students can go and they can work on their multiplication fact fluency throughout the week. So I hope that all of this made sense, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact your teachers. We are going to be available to you as much as we can to help you through this, and have fun. Go learn something new.